Hello everybody, welcome back. And before we start, hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, this is a mini project. We're going to do a short game. Basically, what you do is you answer some questions, and if you get them right, you carry on to the next question. And if you get all the questions right, then you win the game. If you don't, you get kicked out of the game. Okay, so I put down the bare basics here. So we've got a print statement, welcome to the game, which is here. Okay, and we've got the name, well, just a little bit of a description here. You are in Delhi Belly Curry House. Okay, and there's the instructions. Answer correctly to win. So it's going to be a 5-question game. I've already created the functions here. First question, second question, third question, to the 5th question, and then we've got a little function here if you win the game. You'll notice that I put pass here because there's nothing in the functions. So if we run it, and there you will see it will just print out this information but nothing in the functions. Now if there was nothing in the functions, I'll just save it here. I'll just run it for you so you can see, and we run that. You see we get thrown an error message there. So if you're not using any of the functions, always type in pass. Okay, so let's get on to it. So first of all, we're going to have entry 1 is equal to input, and we're going to ask the question, do you want Vindaloo or korma? Okay, so this is the question. Remember, we're at Delhi Belly Curry House here. Okay, so that's the first question. So do you want a Vindaloo or korma? Now if entry 1 dot lower here, if entry 1 dot lower is equal to Vindaloo, okay, we're going to do something. Okay, so the entry, this dot lower here, so if I typed in uppercase, it will reduce it to lowercase so we don't get thrown any errors, you see. So it will reduce it all to lowercase, whatever case you type it in. If you type it in upper, lower, upper and lower like that, it will all be reduced to lowercase, so Python will be able to understand it. Okay, let's have a look here. So if entry 1 dot lower is equal to Vindaloo, we're going to do something. So we're going to print out a message. So the message here is going to be, let's say, you are a real man. You are a real man. Next question. Okay. Okay, so you are a real man, next question, and we're going to send them to the second question because they've answered correctly. So that's going to be second question. Okay, if they didn't answer correctly, we're going to use elif here. So elif entry 1 dot lower. If entry 1 dot lower, let's say, is equal to, I think we'll just bring that in there a little bit, is equal to, let's say, korma. Okay, then we're going to say, print the message, print something like, you lose by, and we shall quit the program, typing in quit here. So we shall quit the program, and we've got a catch-all here, else print answer not recognized. Okay, that's the catch-all statement there. Okay, so we're just going to save that, and we're just going to run it. Let's have a run. So answer, oh dear, we can't run it until we actually call it. So we've actually got to call the function. So this function here is called first question. So we're going to call first question here. So first question. Okay, so that first question, let's just save that. And we're going to run that. Okay, so do you want a Vindaloo or a comma? If I choose comma, it's going to say you lose, bye bye. Now, at this stage in the game, if I choose Vindaloo, it's going to throw an error message because we've not coded the second function here, which is second question. So it's going to be roughly, oh dear, what have I done there? It's going to be virtually the same as the other one. There's a lot of repetition in this. Now I could just copy and paste, but I'm going to do a little bit more repetition. I'm going to go through it, and I think you should as well, because there's 5 questions, there's quite a bit of repetition, and this will help you with your knowledge, and it also help you to remember it, you know. And you should be able to, if you do it a few times, you should be able to do this program off by heart. Okay, so the next one I'm going to call it entry 2. Again, is equal to input. Okay, and then we've got to put a question in. Want a drink? Okay, so that's the question, want a drink, and we're going to give the user 2 options, beer or lemonade. Beer or lemonade. Okay, so those are the 2 options there, beer or lemonade. So we're going to say a conditional if, let's say, entry 2 dot lower is equal to, so let's say if entry 2 dot lower is equal to beer, okay, we're going to print out the answer. You chose wisely. You chose wisely. Let's have a look. Only a beer can kill a Vindaloo. Okay, so you chose wisely. Only a beer can kill a Vindaloo. So after that, that's the correct answer, of course, for this. So if they get the correct answer, we're going to send them on to the 3rd question, which is the next function. And again, if they don't, we're going to use the elif statement. So elif entry 2 dot lower is equal to, let's say, what was it, lemonade. Okay, is equal to lemonade. Then we're going to have to print a message to the user letting them know the bad news. So something like, you big girl's blouse. You big girl's blouse, bye bye. And again, we're going to quit the program. You could actually do anything, you know, you could go back to the start and let them start again. But I've just decided, just for simplicity here, just to quit the program. And then again, I'll catch all at the bottom using the else statement, else print, let's say, error occurred. Error occurred. Okay. Right, I'm just going to save that. I'm just going to move this up here a little bit to make it look a little bit better. Okay, so that's the first one there. So let's click save. Let's go for this. Let's go for, do you want a Vindaloo or Korma? I'm going to go for Vindaloo because it is the right answer. Okay, so we're on to the next question. You are a real man. Next question. Want a drink? Okay, I'm going to put lemonade because it's the wrong answer. And there you go. You big girl's blouse, bye bye. Okay, of course, we can't do the beer because that will throw an error because we've not done the third question yet. So here we go, on to the third question. Again, a lot of repetition. So we're going to call this entry 3. And because they're all separate functions, you could just call it entry or entry 1, but I'm just calling it entry 3 here because it's question 3 and it seems more logical. Entry 3 is equal to input again, so we're going to get the user's input. And question, did you put the toilet roll in the fridge last night? And that's going to be a yes. Let's say yes or no scenario. So that's going to be a yes or no scenario there. So I hate it when it runs off the end like that. I could have actually shrunk the font, but if I shrunk the font, you wouldn't be able to see it very well. Okay, so I'll try not to run off the end like that again. So entry 3. So if entry 3 is equal to yes, so if entry 3 dot lower is equal to, let's say, a y, yes. Okay, we're going to print few no bum burner for you tomorrow. Okay, and then that's going to be next question. Okay, next question. Let's have a look. So let's have a look what I've done so far. Okay, so third question here. Second question, third question. Okay, so this is going to be elif entry 3 dot lower is equal to, let's have a look, entry 3 dot lower is equal to no. We're going to do something. We're going to print a message. Print you are a Curry Lightweight. I think you are at Curry Lightweight. Bye. Okay, that meowing you'll be hearing now is the cat that wants my attention. I wouldn't mind, it's not even my cat, it's the next door neighbour's cat. Wait, stop doing that. Shh. Milky? Sorry about that, I digress. Milky? Cat's trying to get my attention. I'll be putting it out in a bit. Okay. And then of course we're going to quit. Okay. Else. Wait. Else. Let's have a look. Print. And error occurred. Okay, so I'm just going to save that there. So we're going to run that again. So do you want to, let's say I'm going to have a Vindaloo. Okay, you are a real man. Next question, I'll have beer. Okay, chose wisely. Only a beer can kill a Vindaloo. Did you put the toilet roll in the fridge? And if I put no, I'm going to get an error occurred. Let's have a look. So, okay, we're going to go down now to the fourth question. Okay, like I said before, a lot of repetition on this. So, entry 4 is equal to input. Okay, so have you got to go to work tomorrow? Okay, and that's going to be kind of yes or no question. Why? It's going to be yes or no. Okay. So, if entry 4 dot lower is equal to, let's have a look. Entry 4 dot lower is equal to yes. Then we're going to print the user a message again. So that's going to be, oh no. Oh no. Make sure you wear a nappy. Make sure you wear a nappy. Elif. Okay, entry 4 dot lower is equal to no. Then print, let's have a look, message to our loser. Okay, that's going to be okay, but make sure you stay near a toilet. Okay, and then we're going to do the else, which is going to be a catch-all. Print an error occurred. Okay, what we've got to do here is print fifth question. Okay, so if entry 4 is equal to no, okay, we go to the fifth question, which will bring us on to the fifth question here. So we'll just take out the pass there. So the fifth question is going to be entry 5 is equal to input, and then we're going to put can you pay the bill. So again, that's going to be a yes or no question. Yes or no. Whoops. Yes or no. And just put question mark there. Okay, so if entry 5.lower is equal to yes, okay, print a statement here to the user, giving the user a message. Print congratulations or congrats, you're a star. Congrats. Let's say you're a star. Okay, congrats, you're a star. Okay, we'll just close that off. If entry 5, also congrats, you're a star. Nearly forgot. Go on to the winner module here. So straight to the winner module if your entry is yes. Okay. If entry 5.lower is equal to no, and we're going to print off a message. Well, let's say get ready to do the washing up. Okay, so get ready to do the washing up. Okay, and then we're going to do the else statement, the catch-all statement. So if it happens to be anything else, whatever it happens to be, this should catch it. Else an error occurred. An error occurred. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the final function here, which is called winner. So if you win the game, basically there's some message printed to you. So X is equal to congrats, you've won the game. Okay, congrats, you've won the game. And I'm going to do that times by 30. And we're going to print it in uppercase, so print, and then it's going to be x dot upper. Okay, I've just adjusted a few parts in here. I put y and n instead of yes or no because I put them in here. Okay, so we're going to be using y or n, so that's it. This is the final function here, so x is equal to congrats, you've won the game. Print x dot upper, so it's going to print this in uppercase times by 30 if you win the game. So let's go back down here, let's just make it look a little bit better. Now let's format it a little bit better. So there's a lot of repetition here, but you know, it will teach you good coding and you'll actually get to remember it. Okay, so that's the 5th question, the 4th question there. Go down to the 3rd question there, and the 2nd question here. Okay, and of course the 1st question. So now we're going to run it, but we're going to win the game. So I'm going to run the module here, full screen. So do you want a Vindaloo? Yeah, I want a Vindaloo. Okay, you're a real man. Next question. I want to drink beer. Okay, chose wisely. Only a beer can kill a Vindaloo. Did you put the toilet roll in the fridge last night? Yes, I did. Okay, no bum burner for you. Next question. Have you got to go to work tomorrow? I'm going to say no. Oh dear, it's ended the program. Oh, I've lost it. Okay, but make sure you stay near a toilet. Oh dear. Let's run it again and try and win it this time, shall we? Okay, so I want a Vindaloo. Okay, I want to drink beer. Okay, yes I did. I put the toilet roll in the fridge. You have to go to work. Oh yeah, I've got to go to work tomorrow. So, oh no, make sure you wear a nappy. Can you pay the bill? Yes I can. Okay, there you go. Congrats. You've won the game. You've won the game. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. And remember to give it a thumbs up and take 1 second of your time to hit that subscribe button now. It'll really help out the channel. And as always, I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.